Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add zigzag separator in your WPBakery WordPress website. Here you can see in the last video we have added a straight divider in our WPBakery website. Now let's go to dashboard. Here you can also add it with WPBakery page builder. And if you want to go in the pages, you will also find that option. Here you can add it. Make sure that you have installed WPBakery plugin. Here you can see I have installed. Just you can upload the plugin file from here. Make sure that plugin file is in zip format. Otherwise you can get error during plugin installation. So guys, here I can add a new row. Then add plus icon, and here we can search for zigzag separator. Then here we can select the color. For example, I want to select orange color. Then scroll down. Here you can see alignment. You can add on the left side, right side, but I want to keep in center. Then scroll down. For the element width, let me select 70%. Then border width, medium, large, extra large. So let me select large. Then scroll down. And here you can see animation. You can also add some animation to your separator. Then save changes. Let's click on the preview. Now here you can see we have a zigzag separator in our WPBakery WordPress website.